Hey, weather star 4000 video, wanna go get some lunch?
Sure. How about shame on you?
Okay. Let's get going. But who will watch the controls while we are gone?
I don't know. I guess we figure that out later. Anyways, let's go.
Good. There's no one at the reception desk. There should be a directory here somewhere. Aha. Found it. Let's see. The control room is on the top floor. Now time to call the elevator. Oh, come on. Why is it taking so long?
15 minutes later.
Why is it taking so long? This is by far the longest time I've waited for an elevator to arrive. Well, it's about time. Stupid elevator. Shoot. Now the floor indicator is going crazy. I don't even know which floor I'm on. This elevator has some serious problems. And it's also moving very slowly. No wonder it took so long to arrive. Why does it say I'm on the bottom floor? Whatever. I'm on the top floor anyway. Oh wow, there's so many buttons and screens. This seems highly sophisticated. Let's see. It says here that I have to push the red button to activate the AEA, which stands for the Alberta Emergency Alert, obviously. Well, you can't just push the button right away, you have to type out the message first. How the heck am I supposed to type out my message? There are only 8 buttons besides the big red button. This is going to take forever.
Almost an hour of typing later.
Yes. Finally. I did it. Time to scare the living crap out of Edmotion.
I feel like watching some TV.
This is Go TV, serving the province of on many different channels, including Edmonton on Channel 6, and on cable Channel 18.
Our next program will begin shortly, so stay tuned.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment Canada has issued a tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Edmonton, Alberta, Leduc, Raskillen, Edson, Beaumont, and Nisku. For the affected areas, we advise that you must take the following actions. Make sure you have a basement or some type of shelter. If you have shelter, go there now. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio with you. Radio stations in your area will be broadcasting further information and instructions about this alert during your shelter time. Do not go outside. If you happen to be outside at the time of this warning, find a sturdy building with shelter. Local authorities will tell you when it is safe to leave. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines must be kept open for emergency use only. For more information, visit www.emergencylert.alberta.ca and stay tuned to local media.
Oh my god. I have to get down to the basement.
Ha 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 ha. I can't wait to see the look on everyone's faces. I'd better get out of here before someone spots me.
Kingdom bro. Were you the one who's falsely activated the Alberta emergency alert?
Oops. Looks like I spoke too soon. Okay guys. You've caught me red-handed. I falsely activated the AEA.
Kingdom bro. I can't believe that you would do something like this. You've put the whole city and almost half the province into a panic. I'm calling your dad. Hello? Is this Russell? Okay. Kingdom bro falsely activated the AEA and put half the province into a panic. Can you please pick him up? He's at the Go TV studios. Thanks. Bye.
When Kingdom Bro got home.
Kingdom Bro, how dare you falsely activate the Alberta emergency alert? That's it! You are grounded for 241 minutes! Go to your read right now!
I hate you, Dad. I'm in a fire.
And don't you ever insult me like that! That's it! You are grounded even more